Ating report, live report, Idol Dennis Gabriel Alipio.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News.
Live report.
Idol Dennis, please come in.
A video or picture speaks louder than a thousand words. Kaya ito'y tinagbalin na basihan ti Piskalya ng basura ti reklamo kontra ti mas na lalaki amay pagrup ng pilawan ti paltog iti peryan iti sirad ti luwag. Tunani kung sa Jason Badr Pereira legal counsel ti akusado naawat dan ti resolusyon iti Piskalya nga nang dismiss iti reklamo kung palang iti nakamat na video nga tingtingel iti depensa. Nabaga na pa nga nabuhay damit iti video recording si iti PNP ngem saan nga kumpleto kinawan ti makita talaga na ikot tilalagi iti nakamat nga paltog. Kasi nga nanay nga eksklusibo inuman tayo kini Konsel Pereira pangipelaing iti pinay basura at Piskalya ti reklamo kontra tinadakamat nga lalaki.
Of today, we just received moments ago a copy of the resolution from the city prosecutor's office dismissing the complaint that was filed by the PNP against my client, Saturnino de la Cruz.
So walang basahan sir, no?
Kaya wala po. It is so nice na meron yung mga video recording that was able to prove the innocence of our client po.
So may sarili video ng PNP na pinagita sir?
Pinanood namin yung video recording, wala naman talaga. Kulang-kulang, mas kompleto pa yun sa amin kaysa yun sa kanila.
So can we enlighten the public sir na hindi bawal mag-video pag during mga ganong situation sir?
Yeah, it is very important na if there are instances like this, hindi po bawal ang mag-take ng video. Ongoing man yung police operation or after the police operation. It is the right of the public. Like in this case, kung walang nag-record yung kaso ni Mr. De La Cruz, siguro hindi pa kami nanalo within the prosecutor's level. But because of the overwhelming evidence that we have, we were able to picture what really happened. We were able to refute all the allegations made by the PNP that led to the dismissal of the case.
So yun ang nagpanalo sa kaso dahil may sa video recording?
Yeah, because of the video recordings, it was of big help yung kaso namin. Dahil nakikita na doon lahat ng mga contrary to human experience na actions ng mga kapulisan natin at the same time their witnesses and their evidence. Then meron pa tayong tinatawag na a picture speaks louder than 1,000 words. So, kung may video recording of a certain incident, hindi mo na kailangang magsalita yung opposing parties, hindi na, panoorin na lang yung video recording and then we will come up or we will be able to come up with the real incident that happened. So I'm encouraging the public. It is important that we are proactive. We need to help the public of knowing what really happened. Imagine kung hindi naka-video record itong nangyari sa Periahan. I wonder kung makakalusot si Mr. De La Cruz within the prosecutor's level po.
Sir, hindi na naging issue kung altered o edited yung video?
We all know that it is not altered, it is not edited. That's why in my privileged speech, I am cautioning the PNP from releasing such a statement because it just shows how incompetent our police force if they are going to say that it is edited when in fact it is not edited. We must be responsible with our wording so that the public trust to us as a government officials or employees or the PNP as an institution, hindi nila sasabihin na ang trabaho puro planting. Hindi po. The public will surely regain trust to the institution itself if only we are honest and we do not undermine the intelligence of the people.
So anong decision ng client meron din sa magsampa ng countercharge ayon sa PNP?
As of now, I do not know what decision of my client, but sa amin sa Sangguniang Panlungsod, we already endorsed ito din NAPOLCOM, nag-investigate na po si NAPOLCOM. So we are going to submit a copy of this resolution to the NAPOLCOM for the appropriate study. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of evidence that we could present in order to prove the innocence of Mr. De La Cruz. Pero overwhelming na yung mga video recording. So, I wish that our police force, whenever they will conduct a police operation, gamitin sana nila yung mga body-worn camera, paano nila rin na-cover yung baril, paano nila nakita yung baril. Hindi lang po yung sasabihin nila nakita namin yung baril, wala naman ebidensya na magpapatunay po.
Ilang police officer yung kasailalim sa investigation?
There are more than 10 police officers involved in this operation.
Gama, Dolores, Sargadang Palang, kaya ito yung news, madang introduction ni DFNP, sektan kaya ito yung latest update, iya pa na yung basurang tipos kilit reklamo kontra ti kliyente na may pagharap at liwanti palto giparyaan iti syudad ti Lawag. Idol, Dennis Alipio, Tatak, Exclusive.
IFM News.